Hello and welcome back to another session of Microsoft Excel 2010. Today we are going to talk about the basic elements of Microsoft Excel window. On your screens right now you are seeing an Excel window with all its labeled parts. You can see how many parts does this window have. So today we will be discussing about all these parts in detail. Quick access toolbar, title bar, Windows control buttons, ribbon tab, command button groups and command buttons, name box, formula bar, menu bar. Then we have spreadsheet area, columns, rows, active cells, dialog box launcher, scroll bars, status bar, zoom controls and leave bars. In today's session we are going to discuss about the first set of components of Excel window. So here you can see the first part is quick access toolbar. By default, the quick access toolbar is located in the title bar of the application window, but it can be configured to display below the ribbon also. In addition to exposing commands, the quick access toolbar also includes a customizable drop-down menu that contains the complete set of default quick access toolbar commands, whether hidden or displayed in the quick access toolbar, and a set of quick access toolbar and ribbon options. You can see save option, undo, redo, and it's your choice whatever commands you want to pin to quick access toolbar. Title bar and Windows control buttons. Title bar is a small strip that extends across the top of a window. It displays the title of the window by which you are saving that window and typically includes the close, minimize and maximize buttons. So these buttons are known as Windows control buttons. You can minimize a window if you don't want to use it. You can bring it or restore it to its original size, and you want to close the window, so you can click on the close button. In Mac operating system, these buttons are on the left side of the title bar, while in Windows they are on the right side. Then we have a ribbon tab. We have earlier discussed about ribbon tab, that this tab is common in maximum all the parts or all the applications of Microsoft Office. That means in Word also, in PowerPoint also, and now here in Excel also. The Microsoft Excel ribbon is the row of tabs and icons at the top of the Excel window. It allows you to quickly find, understand and use commands for completing any certain task. Command buttons and groups. If you notice, there are few groups like clipboard, font, paragraph, etc. under your ribbon area. Tabs organize related groups of commands together. Groups organize related commands together. Now, command buttons allows you to perform actions or open menus with further related actions. Command menu. Some command buttons will have a small drop-down arrow located to the right or below that button. This indicates that a menu is available with sub-command under the command buttons. So if you notice here, your font group is having font style, font size, then bold, italics and underline, all these such options. Your font style is having a small drop down arrow, that means it have sub commands under it. Same way, all borders is also having a small drop down arrow, which means it has a sub commands under it. So thus font is a group and all these are tabs in the font group. Name box. Name box or address bar. In Excel, the name box refers to an input box directly to the left of the formula bar. This name box normally displays the address of the active cell. Active cell here means the cell which you have selected, the cell which has been selected or have been clicked. So you can use the name box to quickly create a named range. Right now, this name box is displaying A1. So A1 is an active cell. If we change the cell to B1, the name box will display the name as B1. Formula bar. Excel formula bar is a special toolbar at the top of the Excel worksheet window, labeled with function symbol that is FX. You can use it to enter a new formula or copy an existing one. If you want to add two cells and represent it in the third one, so you have to click the third and you have to type the formula in this formula bar to get the answer. Then we have menu bar. This menu bar is also in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, but few elements are different. A menu bar is a graphical control element which contains drop-down menus. The menu bar's purpose is to supply a common housing for window or application. Specific menus which provide access to such functions as opening a file, interacting with an application, or formatting an application, or displaying help documentation or manuals. Following are the icons or items available on menu bar, that is File, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. Now, in our next session, we will be discussing about the next set of components of Excel interface. Detail a menu bar, that means whatever we have discussed, whatever items are there in menu bar, we are going to talk about it in detail. Then how you can save the Excel window and how you can open an existing file or existing worksheet. So, thank you till then. Take care. Bye.